Hello everyone, you're watching SQL for data analysts and a data scientists, and current topic for this lecture is average function within SQL, So this is lecture number 11 given by myself, Shanaz Malik, and let's see quickly what is in the store in this lecture for all of you guys. So the average function returns the average value of a numeric column, okay, and the syntax is simple. We give the column name, the numeric column name to average, and that to select, okay, and then we show where this column is and we give that from that table. And we can also put condition, although it's not required, you don't need to put condition, but I'm just keeping, generally we have queries in real world scenarios where most of the often we do have to put conditions, and that's why I'm putting this condition with it, okay, although you can execute without condition, okay. So let's move on. So to execute, to understand this query, let's open Microsoft SQL Server as usual, Management Studio as usual, and see how it goes. And I have quickly written a small sweet query for all of you guys. So what I'm just doing, I'm trying to find the average rating from the product review table. Nowadays we have a lot of online businesses, and a lot of rating, a lot of products get rating, and sometimes it's useful to understand what kind of rating we have, and we might need to see what's the highest rating, what's the minimum rating, and what's an average rating. And let's start from the average first of all, okay. So average rating, so what I'm just doing, I'm selecting the rating and I'm putting it through the average function, and then I'm aliasing it as average rating, and then what I'm just doing from this table, and where product ID is equal to 937, okay. And if I execute, this is the result, you get it. So average is 3. Now let's understand this query, okay. Just quickly, I'm not going to make it a big lecture, I'm just going to keep it sweet. So let's take all columns, and we don't need any conditions, just to see what's inside the table, okay. So let's see what's inside this product review table. And if I execute this query, so here you get 4 rows. I have here return using this query. Now if you see, I have product ID 937 twice, okay, and I have 1709 and 798, and that's fine. So what I'm just doing, in this query, I'm showing you that basically in this query, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to average, okay, rating, but with this, where the product ID is this. Maybe I'm interested in only in this. So basically, if you see, second and third, okay, are 937. Num- David has given 4 rating, while as Jill has given only 2 rating. And if you sum this up, it's 6, and you divide by 2, that's your average, and that's 3, right? And that's what we are getting basically here. If you see, that's the 3 you're getting, okay. And that's the way you get average. So no matter, there are only 2 here. If there were thousands and tens of thousands or millions of rating given, you could have also written the same query and you could have got the results, okay. That is how we use average function in SQL statements, okay. Hope this was helpful, and if it was helpful, then I have a request that please subscribe, connect if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in next video. Until then, thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professional. Remember, sharing this video is caring for yourself, your society, and in a bigger picture, we are nowadays working with in internet age, and it's basically, if you share this video with using all platforms like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or whatever you are using, you are basically taking care of whole world. Let the knowledge spread, because sharing knowledge is also gaining knowledge. That's what I was told when I was young. So with that, it's time to say goodbye.